Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the best fixes to get your Start menu working again. Let's dive in. The Start menu can stop working for a bunch of reasons. Corruptive system files, a Windows update that went wrong, issues with Windows Explorer, malware, or even just a glitch in your user profile. The good news is, most of these problems are pretty easy to fix without losing any of your files or data. Windows Explorer controls your Start menu, Taskbar, and Desktop. If it crashes or freezes, your Start menu won't work. Here's how to restart it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If that doesn't work, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and click Task Manager from there. Look for Windows Explorer in the list under the Processes tab. Right-click on it and select Restart. You'll see your screen flash for a second. That's normal. After it restarts, try clicking the Start menu again. This fix works for a lot of people, so hopefully it does the trick for you too. If it didn't work, you can try the DISM tool. That stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. It's basically a more powerful version of SFC. Open Command Prompt as administrator again. Windows key plus R, type CMD, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, and this time type this command: dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and press Enter. DISM will check the Windows image for any corruption and try to repair it. This can take even longer than SFC, sometimes up to 20 or 30 minutes. Once it's finished, run the SFC scan again just to be safe, then restart your computer. The Start menu relies on various Windows Store apps to function properly. If these apps aren't registered correctly in Windows, the Start menu can break. Luckily, you can re-register all of them with one command. Press Windows key plus R, type PowerShell, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open PowerShell with admin rights. Now copy and paste this command. Hit Enter and wait while PowerShell does its thing. This might take a few minutes, and you'll see a bunch of text scrolling by. That's normal. Some red error messages might pop up, but don't worry about those. Once it's done, restart your computer and test the Start menu. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Sometimes the Start menu isn't broken. It's just hidden along with the taskbar. Let's make sure that's not the case. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Personalization and then Taskbar. On Windows 11, click Taskbar Behaviors and make sure Automatically Hide the Taskbar is turned off. On Windows 10, turn off both Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop mode and Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Tablet mode. While you're here, also make sure Lock the Taskbar is turned on. This prevents accidental changes to your taskbar settings. If nothing else has worked, you might need to reset Windows. Don't panic. You can choose to keep all your personal files during this process. If you can open Settings, go there and navigate to Update and Security, then Recovery. If you can't, press Windows key plus R, type CMD, and in Command Prompt, you can initiate a reset. Click Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows while keeping your personal documents, photos, and other files safe. It will, however, remove apps you've installed, so you'll need to reinstall those afterward. And there you have it, all ways to fix a broken Start menu in Windows. One of these should definitely get you back up and running. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tips. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.